everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Pooja here. Today in this video, we are trying out Zepto Cafe menu. Recently, Zepto Cafe started deliver to our location. So I wanted to try Zepto Cafe items from long time by seeing YouTube videos. So today I'm trying some of the items from Zepto Cafe menu. I wanted to try the cold coffee and also some of the dessert like tiramisu and chocolate mousse, etc. So we'll see what all items are there and check out the menu first, then place the order. It's 3 o'clock now. Most of the items are out of stock and meal options also are out of stock. So I will order some drink and one of the snack items. I'm thinking of ordering chili toast. We'll see. Zepto Cafe is also selling plain curd for 50 rupees. The MRP is 80 rupees, but today it's showing 50 rupees for 200 grams of plain curd. They also have croissant, chicken puff, Vietnamese cold coffee, samosas, chili garlic bread with cheese, ukma. I'll check out what I want and I'll place the order. We'll see it will be delivering in 9 minutes or 10 minutes as they have promised. So this is my order. I've ordered mango pastry jar, Tex-Mex nachos, chili cheese toast and also hazelnut cold coffee. I'm placing the order now. We'll see how much time it will take to deliver to our place. So the order is arrived. It took exactly 10 minutes. It is arrived now. We'll unbox it and see what all we got. The first thing is this Tex-Mex nachos. And they have also given some tissues, spoons and ketchup. I think it's a mango pastry jar. And chili cheese toast. And hazelnut cold coffee. These are the items. It's tasting time. I'll call my husband. We'll taste it together. I've ordered bunch of stuff from Zepto Cafe. Are you ready to taste test it?
Yes,
Is it your first time having Zepto Cafe food?
yes, this is the first time.
Mine too. I'm also having this for the first time. First, we'll taste cold coffee.
Okay,
They've packed it very well, right? This is how our cold coffee looks,
yeah, packing is very good.
right?
Let me see.
So we have to shake it because chocolate syrup is in the bottom. Have they given straw? Is there any straw with it? No. Shall I?
Yes, we try first.
It's creamy and there is hazelnut taste to it and coffee is also strong enough. I like it.
It's nice,
It's nice, no?
not that bad.
And it's not also that much sweet. We don't like sweet coffees.
Yes.
So it's good. It is hazelnut cold coffee. The MRP was 339 rupees, but we got it for 161 rupees. I think 160 rupees for a hazelnut cold coffee. It's worth it. What do you think? Is it worth it?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good, it's tasty, and there is coffee flavor, hazelnut flavor also. So 160 rupees worth it, but the MRP 339, I don't think so. I would pay 339 for hazelnut cold coffee. 160 is good.
Okay.
Next, you already unboxed chili cheese toast. Okay, next we are having chili cheese toast. This is how it looks. It looks yummy, right? But there's no red chili. Maybe green chili cheese toast it is. What do you think?
Maybe. You
We'll
go first.
try.
How's the bread? Is it soft?
Yeah, the bread is too soft and there is so much cheese to it. I'm getting good vibes from this toast. You take.
Yeah, the bread is very soft.
Yes.
Mmm. It's yummy.
It's yummy. The
Yeah.
bread is good. The cheese is so good. Even the toppings. It is of chili, pepper, and some green leaves. I don't know. Is it coriander? Yes, yes,
It's
yes.
coriander only.
So the chili cheese toast, the bread is so soft and cheese is also melted. It is not that much warm, but okay, the taste is good. And the toppings are oregano, pepper, and also chili and some coriander. It looks like this. This chili cheese toast MRP was 469 for 2 pieces of chili cheese toast, but we got it for 189 rupees. I think for bread and cheese, I don't think so. I want to pay 189 rupees.
Never ever.
No,
Again.
right? I won't try it once again, but for now it's good, it's tasty, I'll have it. What about you?
Yes, we can have. For one time we can eat. It's not that bad at all. But paying again and again, no, it's not my cup of tea.
Next, we'll move on to next one. Next is this yummy looking Tex-Mex nachos. This was for how much? 239 rupees, but we paid 180 rupees for this nachos. The nachos is not that much loaded. It has some jalapenos, olives, and some burger mayo. That's it. There's nothing else to it. So we'll taste test first. You wanna try?
Yes.
I'll take one olive. You wanna try?
No.
Okay. Cheers.
It's
Nachos
not.
మెత్తగా గవా.
It's not at all crunchy.
It's not. Nachos are already soggy.
No, I don't like this.
Even it's the mayo is little salty and nachos are soggy. I didn't like this. I think it's a fail. The bottom nachos are crunchy, but the nachos with the mayo are soggy and the nachos are too salty for my taste actually. What do you think?
It's a big flop.
Yeah, it's a flop. Even only 4-5 olives and 4-5 jalapenos they have added. I don't recommend this one.
And paying 189 rupees for this amount of nachos, no.
That California burrito nachos will be good
Yes,
rather than this. We'll pass this. Next and last one is a dessert.
What is this?
It's a mango pastry jar. I know mango season is over, but I don't think so. They've put in fresh mango. It is just flavored mango flavored jelly or mango sauce. It looks good. It looks good and it costed us how much?
129 rupees.
129 rupees, but the MRP for this was 269 rupees. But Zepto Cafe runs sale every day, so you can always get it for 129 rupees. So now we'll taste test this also.
You go first.
As far as now, my top one is this coffee. What do you think?
Even mine.
Yeah, top one is this coffee, hazelnut coffee, and then comes chili cheese toast and the nachos. No, ఇవింగే layers. It's yummy. You have to try it.
Mm.
It's yummy, right?
Yes, it's so good. This is a first for me.
For you,
Yeah.
even for me. It's yummy. First layer, the top layer is of mango, not fresh mango, mango puree. Next has this creamy, cheesy, mango flavored cream cheese. And next, last layer is of biscuit or bread. I'm not sure. Is it soggy? I think so. It was biscuit because it has some layers, it becomes soggy. I like this. It's a cheesecake vibe. I like the mango flavored cream cheese, and the top layer mango is also tasty. So for 129 rupees, what do you think? Is it worth it?
Yes, totally worth it. We can have it.
We will finish it by within 5 minutes now.
Yes, it won't take 5 minutes also.
This one is good. You must try this one if you love mango and you love cheesecake. The cream cheese filling is too good. I love it.
No?
So these are all the 4 items we tried from Zepto Cafe menu. We like both the sweet items, which is this hazelnut cold coffee and also mango pastry jar. Those two are top for me. We didn't like the nachos. It is salty and it's too costly in my opinion. And we also like the chili cheese toast, but it doesn't top the list. This was it for today's video. I hope you like this video of me taste testing Zepto Cafe items. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.